Ever tried using a language app to improve your English pronunciation only to get frustrated because it feels robotic, confusing, or like you're not actually learning anything? Yeah, I've been there. That's why we need to talk about Elsa Speak before you hit download. Trust me, this one deserves a closer look. Elsa Speak markets itself as an AI-powered pronunciation coach that helps you sound more like a native speaker. You get exercises, real-time feedback, and a personalized curriculum. Sounds amazing, right? But does it actually deliver? On Trustpilot, reviews are mixed. Some users rave about the clear feedback and gamified exercises. It actually helps them correct tricky sounds. But others say the app can be repetitive, limited in content, or expensive once you hit the premium version. On Reddit, users talk about how Elsa is excellent for targeted pronunciation practice, but falls short as a comprehensive English learning tool. To significantly enhance speaking and listening abilities, some users advise combining it with other applications or tutors. On X, the opinions are split. Some learners post impressive before and after clips, while others point out awkward AI feedback, occasional bugs, and slow updates. Here's an Excel-style chart to see it side by side. So here's the truth. Elsa Speak works, especially if you want targeted pronunciation practice, but if you expect it to teach you English fluently on its own, you'll likely need additional tools. Don't just download because of hype. Test it, see if it fits your learning style, and pair it with other practice for best results. And hey, if you want my full guide on the best English learning apps that actually make a difference in 2025, click the next video. I'll save you time, money, and frustration. Catch you there.